Anybody like films? Yeah, most people do. I like Finding Nemo, that's a great film. It reminds me a lot of my childhood. When my dad left me in a Tesco. I'm kidding as Waitrose. I got left in the posh supermarket. Sort the child for a fancy pizza, usual procedure. I like Grease, that's a good film. I like the songs. I've got a little tribute from Grease here tonight. So I have anxiety. I know, what a shock! And yeah, I get panic attacks a lot of the time. And I tried to describe how these panic attacks get to me in song form, and so I felt like nicking one of the classics. Let me get my props. I got chills, they're multiplying, and I'm losing control of my right arm, and my head hurts. Call a fucking ambulance! And the ambulance is here. I get into a tiny paper ambulance. It's going flying off into the sky around Greece. Oh no, it's the sun!